The Daily Code Snippet. What is semantic markup? HTML tags are generally used to format content. As we described previously, an opening tag, a closing tag, and the contents define an HTML element. These tags tell the browser how to display the content within. But they don't always indicate what role that content plays on the page. A good example of this is the div element. With the latest iteration of HTML, HTML5, semantic elements were introduced to help solve this issue. Prior, to define the header of a page, you would write div id equals header. With semantic HTML5, we now have elements that identify content to both the browser and the developer. Some examples of semantic markup include header, nav, main, section, article, aside, and footer. Presented by Designers Learn Code.